Hi everybody, it is April and these are my adventures with Quilt Path. I have a really big tip here. If your Quilt Path keeps coming up and saying that it can't connect, make sure it's turned on. Okay, that didn't sound very good. Okay, when you get this message, do not freak out. Let's back up and I am going to pull my machine over. More than likely, what is happening is there's not a good connection between the quilt path. Well, number one, my batting is in the track. Don't do that. All right, let's see. Let's try that again. Boy, you get to learn all the cool stuff today. So what it was is the connection, which is under here, it wasn't tightly connected. So that was the problem. Don't freak out. That happened to me earlier. You don't have to go buy, buy a new machine or call the help desk or anything. It's okay. Just make sure that the connection between your machine and your Quilt Path hardware is nice and snug. Okay. Don't you feel better? Don't you feel like you have been better educated to deal with things that can go wrong on your machine that aren't really going wrong? They're just normal issues that you sometimes have to face when you're working with technology. But sometimes you have to work with a little bit and tweak some things so that it works with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone.